Hi, Larry, Rheem Product Specialist for Young Supply. We've had a few people reach out asking on how to program the control board on a Rheem Endeavor Series furnace. We've already replaced the control board to help speed up the process. So now we use the Contractor app to finish programming the furnace control board. So we'll hit Service, we'll hit Bluetooth Service and Repair, we'll hit I don't see my product, so we can enter it manually. You can find the serial number on the blower shelf between the upper and lower, or on the data tag in the bottom of the furnace itself. So after we enter it manually, we'll hit Continue. It'll bring up the model and serial number. We'll hit Continue on the bottom and do exactly what it says here. We'll power the unit down. We'll put a new control board in, even though we've already replaced it. That's fine. Power the unit back up, hit Continue. At this time, we'll be doing a countdown. It's just restarting the control board. So it'll say that there is replacement do not have serial numbers. We'll hit OK. And it may take a second or two to bring up the control board, and sometimes it will come up saying Econet-FRN with no serial number past that. That's the one you want to click on. This is the control board we would like to click on. So now it's actually connecting and updating the settings. It'll restart the control board. And it's okay if it delays a little bit. It just takes a second or two. Now this is showing that the model and serial number are programmed right there. It is completed. So you hit Done at the bottom. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to your local Young Supply branch.